So since the time is limited, we will concentrate on this session. It is definitely a session which is of relevant to all the final year and the pre-final year students. So it is a TCS NQT session where all the students have got the license codes already in your mailboxes. The idea where we are coming from is from TCS side is that is we from TCS want to reach out to all of you students, and first of all, in COVID times we may not be there physically in your colleges. First thing is because obviously many of the students are also operating from your homes, and is very relevant as I'm aware about the Trident College. Yes, most of the students are operating online only. Similarly, for Lakshya Institute of Technology, I think most of the students are operating from their homes. So yes, I would first of all let me welcome you there, and I would like to share with you what is the TCS vision. We have your currently a logo which is there, that is building on belief. As you can see right hand screen which is there, the logo that TCS is currently following is, or the vision that TCS is currently follow is building on belief. So we have a belief in TCS that we can achieve a lot of milestones. That is one. So we have already achieved a milestone of being one of the organizations which is there in the world. We have already achieved a milestone of having 5 lakh plus employees which is there, and it is growing slowly, and it hopefully it will expand to something much more bigger which is there. We are also into the process where we are able to reach out to all the candidates in the you can say all the candidates in the world, and not only in India, but it is basically we are talking about pan India, pan pan world which is there. So here it is very important for TCS that we encourage talent, and we want to encourage talent not only from the metro cities, but we want to encourage a talent from the various states of the country, right? So yes, Odisha definitely comes up one of the bigger states where talent is immense, and where talent can be encouraged, and talent can be utilized in various organizations, and that's exactly where we come from. Okay, so this is where TCS is looking into, and earlier the students used to directly apply to TCS or to any organizations, but we are slowly moving to a process whereby we are encouraging talent to apply via the college, and whether it is Trident, whether it's NIT, both the colleges I would say are the TCS NQT partner colleges. So because your college is a TCS NQT partner college, we welcome you on that particular front. And the association which TCS now has with both of your colleges, we will keep on enhancing this and make sure that we are able to build on this. Okay. Now, one question that I will basically ask all of you is, I think you all of you would have already got the license codes, the TCS NQT license code in your mailbox in the month of August. Did you all receive it? Yes, no? You will be able to apply not only to TCS, not only to the Tata Group, but you will be able to apply to 300 plus companies. So we will discuss what are the college benefits that are there, how your college is involved, and how you people can basically be benefited. What does TCS get benefit out of it? I will tell you that TCS has a lot of cost of hiring which happens, and there's a cost of attrition also. Now, from TCS side, we do have a lot of hirings, we do have a lot of openings, we do have a lot of opportunities, not only for Indian projects, but for international projects also. Okay, so you would be knowing that TCS does a lot of work. That is one thing which designates TCS apart from other organizations or bigger ones which are there. is TCS has a lot of international projects, whether in Europe, US, Latin America, wherever it is. It has a lot of international and national projects whereby there is a huge amount of talent which is required. So we will talk all about that. And I will encourage all of you to ask questions wherever relevant. So we will exactly talk about what exactly is TCS NQT, what is the discounted model, what is the kind of job support that all of the students will be getting, and what are the benefits that each of the student will be getting. See, as a student, you will be getting a lot of benefits, which is there. That is in terms of job opportunities, openings not only for TCS but for Tata Group and for other companies also. And from our side, we always do a lot of CSR activities also, right? Community activities. So whenever this national qualifier test was designated, uh, so NQT stands for National Qualifier Test. Can I request all of you to mute yourself, please? Request. Okay. So NQT stands for National Qualifier Test. Uh, National Qualifier Test is something which all of you students, see, there are a lot of students in the colleges. What designates a person, whether he gets in a Microsoft, whether he gets in an Intel, or whether he gets in a TCS, or whether he gets in an Accenture, what designates him? There's so many people listening to me maybe right now, and all I can do is request all of you. I know you are at an age where I know you would like to be more active, you want to be going out there, doing that, etc. Studies sometimes become boring for all of you. Oh, another test, another thing. But yes, you have to be understanding that whatever maybe is being shared, sometimes you will understand it immediately. Sometimes it will take time for you to understand. So what exactly can national qualifier test will do for you? I will request all of you to be patient for another 40 minutes or so. So it will help you. Maybe this 40 minutes can also change your life. So it's not like you can manage your life for the next 40 years. You would you would definitely be happy for your friend if your friend gets does well in campusing, but you will not be very happy if your friend does well in campusing but you do not. Okay. Now from let me come back to the national qualifier test. So national qualifier test is whereby we are putting all the students of the country on the same platform. We are not saying this college, this student, this city, or this region, or this zone of the country is more important to us. We are saying we are opening up our doors and our annual of opportunity for all of you, for all the students. It is totally upon you how you want to take it, and we would love most of you if you love and you're ready to join TCS or the Tata Group. Now, whenever TCS, okay, am I audible now? So let me tell you that we want to hire a lot of candidates from India and especially from Orissa, because Orissa is provides a lot of manpower to the entire nation. Okay, so one thing is there. Let me tell you, share some statistics which are there. Last year, TCS had hired 50,000 candidates from the pan India, and this year we plan to hire 70,000 candidates. Okay, so that is the kind of bandwidth that we have this year. That is, we want to hire candidates who have already become pass out. So candidates who have already become pass out in the year 2020 and 21, and definitely candidates who will be passing out in the year 22 and 23. Okay, so we would love to hire. Now whenever you have any kind of campusing happening, the first thing is cognitive competence, that is verbal numerical reasoning. This is what we want to look. We there is a psychometric profile also which basically checks out whether you are a team player, whether you like to take up new technologies or whether you want to take up new things which are taught in your office, etc. Adaptable nature or not, your nature is being checked out here. Not only that, we also throwing this open to not because 300 plus companies are involved. We are not only throwing this open to IT, computer science, or electronics. All streams are open to this. So you are coming from civil, mechanical, electrical, it does not matter. We would love to have this open to all candidates, whether you're BTech, MTech, MSc, BSc, BCA, everyone will have a different designation definitely based upon your background. But having said that, one thing will be common, that is the NQT score and the scorecard. So all the students will get an NQT score and a scorecard, and using that score, all the students can apply to the corporates or the job portals that will be given to you, and using that you will get the job offers. So does it mean there are 300 companies? Does it mean that all the 300 companies will have separate aptitude tests? No. So all the companies, does it mean that they will have separate aptitude tests? No. Every company will have the same aptitude test, and that is NQT, National Qualifier Test. So one aptitude test will be common to all the 300 companies. Okay, so that is the advantage. You can be situated right now at your hometown, at your city, maybe wherever you are at your village, but you will be still be able to apply. All final year, pre-final year students or pass outs will be able to apply to TCS NQT. But the most important ability that we will be looking for is the cognitive ability, that is verbal, reasoning, and logic, which I showed you right now. Okay. Now, there is any limit on the number of attempts? No. You can, once you have given the exam, you can also improve on the, will be there for the 2 years. So which means once you have appeared for the exam, your scorecard will be valid for the next 2 years. You can apply to TCS, you can apply to Tata Group, or you can apply to all those 300 companies for the next 2 years. I think this is the kind of placement support even the college will not provide you. But here we are definitely looking for pass outs. We are also looking for the current final year and the pre-final year. So all the batches of 2020, 21, 22 and 23 can definitely be involved here. Okay. Now, till now, already 6 lakh plus candidates have already taken this test, have already, applied for this test, and there are 55,000 candidates who have already been selected. I think the number is huge. Okay, not only that, 50,000 is just you can say just one process which has happened. Okay, but the requirement across the companies is so huge. So that's one of the reasons why we are reaching out to all the colleges. All kind of information is being given to TCS and QT partner colleges, so your colleges can in turn pass on the information to you. Now, every day, obviously, I will not be able to address all of you. So hence, it is I'm basically definitely involving taking the help of the colleges so that this information can be disseminated to all of you. Okay. So there are already 2,000 plus colleges who are participating in this process, who have already become TCS NQT partner colleges across the country, and definitely Orissa is also a college, is a state where so many colleges are there. So yes, there are a lot of colleges from Orissa also who are participating in the process, and I will request all of you to be very serious about the process. If you think your placements can wait, and or if you think that you are certain, maybe you will So if you think you are cut out for higher studies, or if you think you are not interested in placement, then I will tell you no, please don't go ahead with it. But if you are interested in placements, if you are interested in working in branded organizations, and if you are interested in making a career out of whatever you've learned till now, I will definitely request you to be participating in this. Okay. So now this is one of the job sites which I'm showing here. So job site here is showing a snapshot about how the job platform looks like. Okay, so how the job platform looks like. So this is definitely something which I will show you online also. Okay, this I will show you online also, so that you can understand. I have a raise of hands from Mr. Lalit Kanoje. Lalit, do you have any question? Lalit, do you have a question? Anything you want to ask? Okay. Okay. So I will show you this website also, where is the job portal where all of you will be able to apply to the jobs. Not only that, I will show you two job sites. Okay. So one is the job site which is there, whereby all the 300 companies will be there, including Tata Elxsi will be there. Plus, apart from this, I will also show you the Tata Careers website, where you will be able to apply to the jobs. Okay. Now, there are various key partners who are there, who are participating in this entire process of TCS NQT. So there is definitely TCS, there is Tata Elxsi, there is Tech Mahindra, there is Sapient, Emphasis, Hexaware. If you talk about the IT field, you have different fields like textile also. You have different fields like infrastructure also, where L&T is participating. You also have retail, where Titan, Chroma, and Reliance Retail is participating. You have financial services also, where Axis Bank or Muthoot or Shriram Finance is participating. So different kind of verticals are there. But obviously, I know that most of the engineers will be interested specifically for IT or for infrastructure, or some maybe there is a requirement in retail also, okay, or in logistics also. There are profiles which are there where for networking or for various other mechanical work, definitely they are required in the retail, in the manufacturing segment. Different engineers are required to run their plants, right? So different kind of openings are there, and all of you will be okay. So these are the different verticals which are there, where all of you can apply. Now I will show you the verticals. Not only that, some of you may be having a question, what is the need for me to go via TCS NQT? See, till now you had been directly applying to TCS, but we have not only openings from TCS, but there are openings from Tata Group also. Not only that, slowly and steadily, we are we do not want to have a casual interaction with the candidates. So slowly and steadily, we are shifting to a model whereby the students will be applying via the colleges. So there is the necessary seriousness about the entire campusing process. So that's exactly why your college is getting involved. Not only that, your college also will be getting the results. Okay, so college also will be getting a results of all the students who are going to participate in the process, and how many students are getting shortlisted, selected. Every kind of reporting will be shared, not only to the students but also to the colleges. Now, every student will be getting a NQT scorecard, whereby what marks he has got will be shown to him, what is his standing will be shown to him, so that you have an idea and understanding about where exactly you stand in the job market. Using that scorecard, and the scorecard will be valid for the next 2 years. But if you want, you can improve on your score, reappear on your score, and improve your score. You get a latest scorecard also. Okay. Now, we are expecting that all of you will be more serious about the process when you're participating, because we don't want candidates to just fill in a form and vanish. So we are encouraging serious participants. That's exactly why it is also where an application fee or a test fee is getting involved. All of you already have got the license code for it. But because you're coming from a TCS NQT partner college, we will also be giving discounts to you. Not only that, apart from the discount, that we will also be encouraging you to at least crossing the first aptitude test. All the candidates who cross, who basically qualify in the first round of aptitude test will get their money back. Okay, so which means we are not interested in any kind of test fee. Just like in the case of CAT, MAT or ZAT, there is an application fee just to designate the serious students from the non-serious students. Here also we want to basically designate the serious students from the non-serious students. So thereby there is, if you go to the website, you will find a different kind of application fee there, but which is not even refundable. But here, when the students are applying via the college, all the students will have the option of applying and crossing the first round of the aptitude test. The minute you cross the first round of the aptitude test for TCS, we are basically going to refund back your application fee for you. We are not interested in the application. But what we are interested in is we want to maximize the job opportunities, and we want you people to become more aware about the process. So for that, you will find practice tests, two types of practice tests for NQT, that is cognitive, and two type of practice tests for IT programming. Total, you will find 20 mock tests available to you. Okay, so total you will find 20 mock tests available to you. We will basically inform the college that please encourage all your students to appear for the mock test, so that they are well prepared before you appear for the test. Okay, so we don't want you to, I think many of you would have appeared for TCS Ninja also. Yes, many of you, have you appeared for TCS Ninja? Did all of you appear for TCS Ninja? Yes, no?
Ma'am, I have opinion. I'm having a question.
Yeah, just I'll come to your question. Did any of you appear for TCS Ninja? I'm seeing a raise of hands. Ashish Kumar, Shatabdi, okay. Some other person is also writing. Yeah, so just to address that question, TCS Ninja happens only once in a year. Okay, one day event. And it does not store the marks, it does not store the performance of the candidate. You only get the opportunity, you do not get any mock test there. You only get the opportunity where the candidate is told to write a test, and he writes the test, he is either selected, rejected. He is not given the option to improve on his performance. His marks are not stored. You cannot improve on that score. Nothing is done. Okay, so here what happens is, in this case, what in the case of TCS NQT, what we are doing is, we are going to be there, or you are going to be there with TCS NQT, not for one day, but you will be there for the next 2 years. And in these 2 years, you will be able to apply to all the companies. Maybe you get a first job, apply, come back and apply for the second company. Even if you are coming from a background of BSc or BCA, all of you will be able to apply to TCS and to 300 plus other companies. If you get selected, fine. If you maybe do not get selected in one company, you have the option of applying for other companies. Okay, so if you do not get selected in the second company, there are 300 plus companies, so you can apply in any of those companies. Not only that, if after appearing for TCS NQT, if you're not satisfied with your marks, you think you can do better, you have the option of improving on that score. And after you improve on the score, using that new scorecard, you can apply to your jobs. You can get your first job, and maybe after 1 year, you can come back and apply for a second job via this site. So all these jobs will open only for the TCS NQT certified candidates. Okay. I was saying someone was saying he has a question. Yeah. Can you ask your question, please? It's good to have
Hello,
question.
ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. Can
Hello,
you
ma'am.
introduce yourself and which stream you belong to?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Satabdi Milan Beura. I'm from CSC 7 SIM
Okay.
from BTech. And ma'am, actually, previously in the month of September, I attended the TCS Ninja exam. But due to some technical effort from TCS website, I was unable to complete my exam.
Hmm.
So, ma'am, I was rejected in that exam. So, can I appear this exam again?
No. No. That is what we are saying. That is a one-day exam. I just said that you can appear for the exam only via TCS NQT. Okay, is this clear? Because as I said, TCS Ninja happens only once a year. So this
Ma'am,
year
I'm
TCS
asking about.
Ninja, can I complete?
Yes, ma'am,
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah, TCS Ninja happens once a day in the year, where you will find like this year TCS Ninja was conducted for the 22 batch. Next TCS Ninja will happen again next year maybe for the 23 batch. Okay, whereby no scores will be preserved, whereby no logins will be there for the candidate. It is a one-day exam where the candidates appear. If there is a technical glitch, it may be from your side. Most probably, it should not be from TCS side. So, because other candidates then would not have been able to appear. So, if you have face a technical glitch, then there is no rescheduling which does happen. Okay. Yeah. You have some other question?
No, ma'am, thank you very much.
Okay. So what kind of problem did you face? Did you have
Ma'am,
any technical issue at your end?
no, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, I was connected to a good network, but ma'am, my exam timing was at 9 a.m. in the morning, and there was a timer screen.
Sorry, we lost you. Can you repeat the last line, please?
Ma'am, am I audible now?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes,
Please.
ma'am. My exam was at 9 a.m. And there was a timer going on in the interface screen of the examination that after it reached 9 a.m. time, you will be allowed to proceed the exam. But ma'am, it was already 9 5, but my timer was showing that more 18 minutes to go. So when it was.
We lost you again. I think this could have
Someone is muting me.
Okay, okay. I think what I understand from this issue is maybe there was a compatibility issue of the at your end. Were you giving it from your laptop or were you giving it from any TCS and authorized center?
No, ma'am, I was giving it in a remote mode in my laptop.
Okay. So this many times there is a compatibility issue which happens. So due to which system timing could not synchronize.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So that's again, see, that's thing whenever you are giving it from your remote location, it does happen to some candidates. That's why the IRC tests are conducted. Okay. So the IRC test helps to understand whether your laptop timing is compatible, whether your laptop system is compatible, if everything is compatible. So there could have been a timing issue with your laptop. Okay. So yes, I do understand you faced an issue, a technical glitch at your end, but unfortunately, any kind of Ninja exams do not get rescheduled. Like Ninja, as I said, is conducted only for it's a one-day event. Okay, it's the name of the event, Ninja.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so whereby you do not get a login, we do not preserve your scores. So what happens is it's a one-day event. We cannot reopen that. But then in that case, we should reopen it for everyone who missed the test that day. Okay, so we cannot do that. So that's also, you can say, one of the drawbacks, if you want to call it that way. That is, we cannot reopen that exam anymore because those logins are never preserved. Okay, so that there's a strict ruling which is there. So, so in the case of TCS NQT, it is not more like that. Every student will have a login. So if any chance you face an issue where there is a TCS server issue, definitely we will do the work of rescheduling it. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
so yeah, any questions?
Ma'am, those who have appeared for TCS MQD in the September cycle can be applied once again in this November cycle.
Yes, December I would say. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, you can.
We
That
have to
that that,
again.
that is the advantage which is there. See, if you want to improve on your scores, definitely. Okay. So if you want to improve on your scores, you can improve as many times, but that's a choice which is you are having. Okay, no one is telling you that you should improve on your scores, but if you there are a lot of candidates, okay, I've got 70%, I should get 80%, I should improve on my scores. So then that option is definitely there. Okay, we are not telling you to use that option, but if you want to use that option is very much there. Okay.
Ma'am, we have to pay again for that. This
Yes,
cycle now.
as I said, it's optional. It's your wish. Somebody would like to say, I want to appear 100 times. So it does not, it has to be, it cannot, it is based upon your wish. If you want to improve, then you can reapply, definitely. Okay.
Okay.
So this is a TCS NQT is where we are telling you not only to look for jobs in TCS. See, TCS is hiring big way. But does it mean that everyone who appears for TCS will get cleared? No. Okay. There is a benchmark which you have to satisfy. There is a qualifier you have to satisfy. We are not telling you, okay, get recruited in TCS only. There is persistent systems. There is Tata Elxsi. Why don't you get recruited in any of them also? They are equally good brands, right? There's Titan also, there's Tata Electronics also. So there are very big brands, and I will show you the website. So all of you can go and maximize your opportunities there. And please, whenever you're maximizing your opportunities, we want manpower, definitely. But we want quality manpower. So when we are saying that, okay, we want quality manpower, we want all of you to come. So all these 20 mock tests will be given to all of you, and each of you can practice on those mock tests and apply for the exam and sit for the. So let me just revisit whatever I discussed right now. So each of the candidates who are going to apply, and the next exam will happen for December NQT. Okay. When will the exam start? The exam will start from 25th December onwards, and it will go on for a week or 10 days. Does it mean all the students will appear for exam for 1 week? No. 3 hours based upon your admit card date, you will be appearing for the test. Okay. So any of you can apply for December or you can apply for March. Both the schedules are open, but definitely I will request you to apply for December so that you do not miss out on the hiring season. Okay, so you can apply for March also, but if you apply for March, the only thing is, but you have to use the coupon code now only, because all these coupon codes will expire after this. Is this clear? So all the people who have received the coupon codes, your coupon codes or license code will expire after this. You have to use these license codes within 5th of December. By 30th of November, that is tomorrow. But there is a possibility of extension of till 5th of December. So I will tell all of you to use up this license codes immediately and make sure you are using these license codes by 5th of December positively. Okay. So all of you will be getting a TCS NQT scorecard. Um, Students can apply not only to TCS but to other companies which are both of IT and non-IT. Like L&T, if you're coming from civil, mechanical, electrical, you can apply for infrastructure companies also. There are 20 practice tests. 20 practice tests, 2 models are there. One is two practice, two kind of models for cognitive and two kind of models for IT programming, and five sets are there for individually. That makes it 20 mock tests. Okay, so two models are there for cognitive, two models are there for IT programming. So into five, so basically 20 mock tests are available, and all those mock tests can be utilized by you so that you're able to prepare yourself for TCS NQT. Okay, and the batches who can apply 2019, 2020, 21, 22, and 23. All of you can apply. If you have some seniors who are not working in a good organization or a medium sized organization, or who are unplaced, please suggest them to use this. They can get benefited in a major way, because definitely there are urgent openings also. So since the 22 batch or the 23 batch cannot join immediately, even we are expecting immediate joiners. Okay, because the requirement is high. So all the TCS shortlisted candidates will get their money back. Okay, not only that, from time to time we will be sharing with you all the TCS events with the TCS NQT partner college. There is a website that we have called as TCSIN, which is the assessment website of TCS. So there are virtual job carnivals also arranged from time to time. We also share this website with the colleges so that your students can participate in the TCS virtual job carnival. Okay, so I will show you the website, which are basically job oriented, so that you have a basic understanding about how this is working. Now, before this, I will just go and just reiterate whatever we are talking about. So, we are talking about jobs in IT, outside IT, jobs in TCS, outside TCS. There are practice tests. All of you can go for multiple attempts, and this placement support will be relevant for all of you for the next 2 years. Hopefully, I will see maybe in a month or two all of you operating from the college, so I can come to your college and maybe interact with you on a one-to-one, on a face-to-face basis. That would be definitely helpful. Now, this is I think a mail that all of you would have received from TCS side, whereby you would have received the hyperlink. You can see this hyperlink, where all of you would have received this hyperlink, and you would have received this license code. Okay, where you would have received this license code and where you would have received this hyperlink. Now, I will basically show you a demo about how you can activate your license code using this hyperlink, and how it will take you to this page and what you can do to activate your license code. Okay, it's a simple 5-minute task, but you can do this. Not only that, I will show you the website where you can take a sample test. Okay, so without let's say registering for anything, you can go to the website and take a sample test. It will tell you what the pattern of the questionnaire is going to be. And specifically for 23 batch, if you're there, is 23 batch here? If 23 batch here is there, then ideally I'll tell you it is one of the most important opportunities that you're getting. It is like before campusing only, you're getting an option to understand, to appear for TCS NQT, get a good score, and using that you can apply for the campus. And you're going, and if you think, okay, if you want to appear for the campus again, you can do the work of again appearing for the campus also. So you are getting two chances, two shots at basically the TCS and the Tata Group. So you are getting added opportunities via this. Okay, so let me show you the website. Yeah, can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to show you two websites. One is so I'm going to show you two websites. One is the Tata Careers website, where you will get all opportunities which are there. How can you access the Tata Careers website? There is Tata Careers website which is there, and there is also a specific portal of TCS. So I will just go to type in Google. I will just type TCS Next Step portal. I think those who have appeared for Ninja would know this. So there is TCS Next Step page. That is the first web page. The second web page which I will show you, as I said, all kinds of assessments which are conducted by TCS are conducted on the assessment portal. The name of the assessment portal is TCS Ideal Edge. We call it as Ideal Edge, IDLH. So it is basically, as you can see here, the Ideal Edge portal which is there, the learning hub, whereby all kinds of assessments are conducted on this website. Okay, where if you can see there is this jobs link which is there. Can you see this hyperlink of jobs? If I click on this hyperlink of jobs, automatically you will find the jobs coming in. Okay, automatically you will find the jobs coming in. Okay, so you can scroll down or scroll up. And the second website is the TCS Next Step portal. So TCS Next Step portal, so this is the website which is exclusively meant for TCS openings. So if you want to apply, after the test, once you got the scorecard, if you want to apply only to TCS openings, exclusively for 70,000 plus TCS openings, then this is the website for it. Okay, and apart from TCS, because TCS definitely has a lot of openings, so a special website has been dedicated to it and will be given to the students. And apart from the TCS website, there is, like, if you want to apply for a job in Tata Elxsi, or if you want to apply for like something like Sapient, you want to look for jobs in Sapient, for example. Now, how will you apply there? Now, first of all, how many jobs are there? Is there a limit? So you can see companies like Sapient, Titan Engineering and Automation. You also have Digital Nirvana. So various companies are there, and you can go through which all companies are there. So it could be TCS Iron, it could be White Hat, it could be Novomox. All kind of companies are there. And if you want to keep on loading, you can click on load more and keep on loading and seeing which openings you want to apply for. Is there any limit to the kind of openings that you are applying? Is there any limit? No, there is no limit. You can apply to as many jobs as you want. If you want to apply to all of these jobs also, it is all open to you. If you think you want to apply to L1 support network engineer also, you can apply. If you are, let's say, a pharma student or a MBA student, you want to apply for HR trainee in persistent systems, you can apply. If you are a BSc candidate and you want to apply to any of the other openings which are there, which are relevant for the for the IT company or the non-IT company, you can apply. So the list is growing. The list is pretty exhaustive. You can uh, continue to look through all kind of openings which are there. And mind you, it is not just A, B, C kind of openings are there. All kind of openings are there. Various branded companies are there, and you can go to apply to any of them. There is no kind of limitation that you can apply only to one company or you can apply to 10 companies. All you need to have is a TCS NQT scorecard. You can apply to any of them. Can you see this? So you can click on load more and automatically the list is going to keep on expanding. You can apply to even to a production supervisor job. You can be applying to a quality control executive. You can be a software engineer also. You can be executive also. You can be a back office executive also, or an accountant also. So various kind of openings are there, and each of them will have their own qualifications. There are jobs in for mechanical engineer also. There are jobs for graphic designer also. There are jobs for production managers also. For production supervisors, you can apply for jobs. If you're coming with a science background, you can even apply. You're coming from a BSc background, right? Pure BSc. You can, using that, you can apply to IT companies also. You can apply to pharma companies also. If you're coming with BSc bio background, you can apply to pharma companies also. So this is the kind of thing which is there. Now, how do you apply? Those who have already appeared, I mean, you can keep on seeing this list. It will keep on growing. Okay. So there are, for mechanical engineers, to all kind of options are there. Now, if you want to apply for a job, what is it that you want to do? Like there is an option which is there for Sapient. You want to see what are the job details. You click on job details, it will show you what the job details are. Okay, what is the salary for Sapient? It will show you. So it is within from 5 lakhs to whatever 5.5 or whatever 5.5 or 510 annually. What are the qualifications it is looking for? It is looking for BTech in electronics or science and computer science, etc. Okay, what are the kind of qualifications it's looking for? Okay, it is looking for CGPA 6.5 and above. Okay, so all kind of things will be written here, and based upon that, all you have to do is you have to click on apply now. As soon as you click on apply now, okay, so there are number of openings, it's 200. All you have to do is you have to click on apply now. As soon as you click on apply now, it will ask you for your login credentials. So this is where you have to create your account. Okay, this is the most important ingredient. In fact, you have to create your account in 2 locations. You have to create a TCS NQT account here, because this will be the prime account. Using this TCS NQT account, you will be able to apply to the TCS jobs also. And here also you will have to go and create an account in the TCS Next Step portal. So in 2 locations, all the students, we will guide you as you go along. In 2 locations, you people will have to go and create an account. This is the first location, this is the second location. Any questions here? Anyone has any question here?
Ma'am, those who have account before, they can directly log.
Non-career students.
If you already have an account, if you already have an account, all you have to do is you have to basically give your credentials. Then you have to use login via the credentials. Just like if you have an email, then what do? You log into that email. If you don't have an email ID, what do? You create an email ID. Is this clear? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So have you already appeared for TCS NQT in September? Have you already appeared for TCS NQT in September?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you have to go here, log in using your credentials. You should be having your CV and your updated profile here. And there you have to click on apply. I hope you have a resume uploaded here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So use your resume and apply here. Okay. Yeah. Someone else was having a question? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Please ask your question.
Ma'am, anyone can apply, ma'am. Career students or non-career students.
Yes, anyone can apply. You are a BTech student, MTech student, you are a BCA, BSc, BCom, MBA, anyone can apply. You can be having 60%, you can be having 50%, you can be having 80%, anyone can apply.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay.
Hello. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, if we have 60% through our career, or anyone have
Anyone can
second
apply.
division?
Anyone can apply.
Okay.
You may be having 60% throughout, or you may be having 50%, does not matter. See, for TCS NQT is giving you 300 plus companies. Clear? When you are seeing this job list, everyone is not having the same criteria. Okay? When you're having these companies, everyone does not have the same criteria. Let's say you are applying for Nextware Technologies. Okay? If you see the job details here, there it was 6.5. Here it may be a different criteria. Okay? So here it is not having a person. Yes, it is having MCA should have 70% in all the academics. But for others, maybe they have not written anything. Clear? So for BE, BTech, they have not written a criteria. So, see, totally the criteria will apply to the job. For applying to NQT, everyone is open. So there will be jobs for 50% also, there will be jobs for 60% also, there will be obviously be jobs for 70 and 80. Clear? Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And now I will show you how you can do the work of creating a login. I told you that you have to create a login. So most important thing is you have to create a login. Now all of you will have to do two work. One is create the TCS NQT login on this website IDLH portal, and another website will be the TCS Next Step portal, so that you can apply to TCS, so that here you can go and apply to TCS. Here you can go and apply to Tata Group and to 300 plus other companies like Sapient, Hexaware, all the other companies who are there. Now all of you would have received this kind of student mail in your mailbox in August. So all of you would have received this mail, this kind of mail in your mailbox in August. I will just, some of you would have attended my webinar. I will just show you how you can just click on this. So if you have already attended, whatever link that you have already received in your mailbox, you have to click on that link. Control and click on that link. You already have the license code that you have received in your mailbox. Otherwise, your college is also having a list of the license codes. Okay, so college is also having a list of the license codes. All you have to do is you have to click on the link. So once you click on the link, it will take you to the web page. Now once it takes you to the web page, or it already taken you, let's say, to IT Career Readiness Pack. It will show you what all is there. If you want to take a sample test, it will show you. Okay. Now all of you can appear for the December exam. You also have an option of appearing for the March exam, but I will suggest you don't delay. Okay. I will suggest you don't delay. Please, if you want to take a sample test, you can go and appear for the sample test also. Okay. Here, again in this IT Career Readiness Pack, what are options are available? There is cognitive, there is psychometric, there is IT programming. Okay. Now please understand, if you're taking IT Career Readiness Pack, then this option will be there. That is, cognitive is numerical, verbal, reasoning. Psychometric is what kind of personality you are. That's the basic test. Are you a team player? Do you like talking to people? Those kind of questions will be there. The maximum marks are there for the cognitive. Okay. And there will be one paper also of 60 marks, which will be there on any one of the programming languages like C or C++. And all of you will be getting 4 practice tests into 5 attempts each. That means you will be getting 20 practice tests. I think that 20 practice tests will help you to prepare yourself. to become prepared and come out very seriously for this particular TCS MQT. Not only that, you will also be getting the young professional process which is there as part of this, where it will help you to create a resume, how you can prepare for interviews, what are the kind of HR questions you can get, all kind of things also will be helped by you in this particular, which is being provided free along with this login. Okay. Now, I just wanted to show you with you, share with you, what you have to do. You have to click on this link. Whatever link that you have got in your mail, you have to click on that link. Once you go here, okay, as I showed you, you can scroll down, take a sample test, see the syllabus, etc. Everything will be shown here. Now, what you have to do is, once you go to this page, you have to click on what? Activate now. As soon as you click on activate now, it'll ask you for a login ID and password. Now, if you have a login ID, you can use your login ID and enter here. Or what you have to do is, you have to do the work of clicking on create account. Okay. So, you have to go to, don't use this Facebook, Google, etc. to create an account. Go to create account and it will ask you to enter some basic details. What are those basic details? Give your full name, give your email ID. This is my email ID. If you want to reach, any one of you want to reach out to me, you can reach out to me at dimple.chatterjee@tcs.com. Okay. So if any one of you want to reach out to me, please reach out to me at this mail ID. Okay. So this is, write my full name, give my email ID, give the password, give the captcha, and it is just a 1-minute thing. Click on this and click on create account. This will do the work of, and you have to agree to the terms and conditions. These 2 tabs are there. You have to click on these 2 tabs, click on OK, and click on create account. It will help you to create an account on the Ideal portal. Okay, this is the first step. Now, till this time you have given the first step of create an account, but have you also given your college? Have you told them what you are studying currently? That you're studying engineering, or you're studying BSc, or you're studying BCA? Have you told them? No. So now the next step is, once you click on create account, you have to give your personal details. You have to give your college name. Okay. So I'll just repeat. You have got a link, all of you. You have to do the work of clicking on this. Once you click on this, click on activate now and give your, if you already have the credentials, give your credentials, login ID, password, otherwise click on create account. Now, since I already have my credentials, I will give my credentials here. And login. Okay. Now see, the first thing which I did is, I did the work of creating an account. Okay, that was the first step. The next step is, as I said, I have to inform about my personal details. So here, I am giving my personal details. What are those personal details? I am giving my name, I am giving my date of birth, my state, and I have to give my educational qualification. So here you give your education qualification and give your institution name. So can you see these 3 dots? So give your education name, give your education status here. My God, here it is. Can you hear me, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Can you see me also? See my screen?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Your
Yes,
state,
ma'am.
give your state name and give your college name. So it can be Trident and search. So automatically Trident Academy of Technology, let's say, will come and you can choose. Or you may be from Orissa and whatever college name that you have, that Lakshya Institute of Technology and choose. Okay, so give your college name, give your education qualifications. Now you're supposed to choose when you want to appear for the exam. Do you want to appear for the exam in December? You want to appear for the exam in March? Okay, so I will suggest all of you, please choose December. Okay, and how you want to appear for it, online or remote. Upload your photograph and click on submit. Give the declaration, click on submit. Now this will do the work of creating your personal account, and this will do the work of basically giving you an NQT number. But please remember, you are students of TCS NQT Partner College, so you have to apply the license code. So for applying the license code, you have to now go to the next step. So you have done the work of creating an account, you have given your personal details. Now you have to apply the license code which you have received in your email. This is the license code. Every student will get a unique license code. So I am going to show you this instruction file. I will basically share with your college. In fact, your college already has it. So, I am just going to show you how I have done it. So I have clicked on the hyperlink which I showed you. I've done the work of clicking on hyperlink. The next step is I've accepted the cookies. I've done the work of creating an account which I showed you right now. Now in the account I've created as a learner. I've given my acceptance of the agreement, and I've done the work of creating an account. Terms and condition, I've created an account. That was the 2-minute first task, create account. The second step which I did the work of giving my personal details. What were those personal details? That is, what is my college name? What is my education background? When do I want to appear for the exam? So that all I did the work of choosing in the personal details. And after that I clicked on submit. When I did that, I am going to get an NQT number. It is a very basic thing, and this instruction file will be shared with you. So don't worry. Okay. So all of you will be getting this NQT number. But it is not over, because you have still not applied the license code. So next one is you have to do on click to proceed. The next page that will come to you is on the top right corner, there is click to proceed. And thereafter you have to enter the license code which you have received in your mail. As you can see, this license code is there. This license code is what you have to apply. Okay. So this is where you have to apply the license code. So here you have to go, copy paste the license code here and click on activate. Now once you do that, okay, so as you can see, originally for IT career readiness pack it is showing as 999. But once you apply this license code and click on activate, the college discount will be applicable to you. Okay, so it may come down based upon your college strength and based upon everything, it will come down, and the college fees will be showing. So all the students anyway is refundable, but anyway initially also the discount is be given, and all the college students will get the benefit of applying for the next, will be getting this placement support for the next 2 years. So once you apply the license code, one thing that you have to make sure is when you are doing this, make sure you are enabling the pop-ups. Every student I hear does not enable the pop-ups, and then these messages do not show to them. So please make sure, this is for the BSc students also, for your knowledge, please remember you have to enable the pop-ups. Okay, so enable the pop-ups, and once you have applied the license code, a revised fee will be showing to you. It may be 699 or 849, a revised one will be showing to you. Okay, based upon your college strength, a revised one will be showing to you. Okay, once you see that, so please go by your college. Okay, so go by your college and a revised one will be showing to you. And for Trident, it is I think around 699 or so. Similarly, based upon your college strength, it will show to you. So you have to then click on pay now. Once you click on pay now, okay, use your UPID, use your phone number, and using your phone number you can make the payment. Okay, So makes using card or UPI or net banking, you can make the payment. Okay, using the card, UPI or net banking, you can make the payment. So I think this is an instruction file which I will share with all of you so that you are not hassled. All this is very easy to follow. Okay, and I'm also sharing, my email ID. If I can write it here, let me see. So any of you who do not have access to this instruction file also, I will share it with the college and I will tell the college to share with the students. You can also write to me if you need any help. I am sharing this, this instruction file also here. If there is allowing me to share, I am going to share the instruction file also. So see, I'm sharing this TCS next step instruction file. Okay. So it is getting uploaded. TCS NQT application steps is getting uploaded in this chat. See, it's already got uploaded. You can download it from here. So I will request all the students to check my email ID and the file I have already uploaded here. Okay. And all of you will basically be accessing, all of you I think would have already got this link. The license code will be individual, but this link I think will be useful for all of you. So I am sharing it here. So using this link, you will be able to directly access the website and provide your license code. Okay. So anyone who has not understood this or anyone who has any questions? Yeah, anyone has any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So do you think this is beneficial for all of you, all the students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you also have 23 batch here? Do we also have the 23 batch here? 23 pass out batch?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Yes,
So I
ma'am.
think for 23 batch, this is a very major, advantage that you are getting. We don't have the permission to download it. I think you have the permission to download it. Just check. Anyway, you can also check with your college. They will have the, the file also. Okay, so don't worry, and you can make use of this link. So I think it will be very beneficial for all of you. See, opportunities तो बहुत है, but the question is who utilizes the opportunity. We are looking for candidates, but unfortunately we cannot look for unprepared candidates. That is a limitation always the Tata Group will have. So we will encourage all of you. See, you people spend so much maybe on a mobile phone and all that. A 700 rupee or a 850 rupee, I don't think is going to matter so much in your life. That also for the next 2 years. Yeah. So please make sure you are investing in something. What are the steps you take today will influence you for the next 2 years. Yes. And I'm sure I would love to see many of you from here, and I will request all of you to choose the December schedule, and all of you have to complete the process by this 5th of December. In fact, I will tell you to complete the process by tomorrow, so that if you face any queries or so that if you face any errors, we have time to help you. Okay, so basically the deadline is till 30th, but we have kept 4-5 days basically to help in errors of the student. If you face any errors, you have my email ID, you can directly write to me. Okay,
Ma'am.
so any questions?
Ma'am.
Yeah, please ask.
Ma'am, what about those students who don't get a mail and the code?
You are from which college? Tried it?
Yes, ma'am. I'm tried it.
Okay. I'm sure your license code is there. If you still don't find, please check with your college training and placement department. I'm sure your license code is there. If you still do not get it, you can write to me. Yeah,
Okay, ma'am.
yeah. Anyone who thinks they don't have not received the license code, please check with your college. You still do not have it, you can write to me. Okay. So any other questions?
Ma'am, your uploaded file is not be downloaded.
I have already uploaded it. What I will do is, can you write to me, and you're from which batch? 22 batch?
Yes,
Hello?
ma'am.
You are from the 22 batch? You can write to me and I will share the file with you, and you can put it on your student WhatsApp group.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you can write to me, I will share the file in a mail and you can put it on the student WhatsApp group. That will give access to all. Ma'am, that mail which I got from TCS was deleted. So can I get, what you can do is, you can check with your Abhinash, you can check with your college, they will have the license code. I've already given the link, hyperlink I've already given, as you can see. The hyperlink is already given here. All you have to do is check with your college. Abhinash Raut, I have already shared it. That is, any of you can write to me. I will share the instruction file and you can circulate it within your community with a WhatsApp group. Okay, I think we do not have any questions. I would love to welcome most of you here. Please invest in your career, I would say. All I can say is please invest in your future. आप लोग मूवीज के पीछे 600 और पॉपकॉर्न के पीछे 300 इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो, राइट? Invest in your career, something which will stay with you, something will stay you for the rest of the life. Two websites will have different credentials. No, it will have different login IDs, definitely. But use the same email ID. Two websites will have different credentials. Yes, it will have two different login IDs, but make sure you use the same email ID. Okay? So thank you all of you. Thank you for being here and thank you for being a patient listener. So thank you. I'll love to see most of you in your colleges and maybe welcoming you in TCS over the time. Right? So thank you so much. Thank you. Please complete your process immediately.